Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. My subject is Medical Sciences and Astrology. Today I am going to speak about the circulatory system. We have different systems in our body: digestive system, circulatory system, and breathing system, skeletal system, etc. The circulatory system and diseases. Millions of people in the world suffer from diseases of the heart and blood vessels, which are called cardiovascular diseases. It has already become the number one killer diseases in the developed countries. They call it the epidemic of the present century. The heart is a tough muscular pump whose constant function is to eject blood to the arterial system at an average rate of 70 to 75 times per minute. The heart keeps the blood circulatory going by receiving it in its chamber from every part of the body through the venous system and then pumping it out to all parts of the body through the arteries. When any part of the circulatory system does not receive the needed blood supply, it gets damaged. This damage could be the heart itself or in any other parts such as the lungs, the kidney, the brain, and other organs. Due to any breakdown in this mechanism, in the heart, there is heart alignment or heart attack, as it is commonly called. There are various types of heart alignments. They are atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, coronary thrombosis, sudden blocking of the arteries of the heart, and hypertensive diseases. The heart is controlled by the fourth house. Fourth house rules the heart. Murda Asya Gala Skandha Hridaya. Karaka Rashi is the seat of heart in the natural zodiac. Moon rules the heart. Sun governs all parts of the heart. Mars controls the circulation of blood. The affliction of all these and the relation of any of them with the diseases inflicting house or planet give rise to heart disease and also to thrombosis of heart. Karaka, Vrchik and Mean Rashis rules over the blood, and therefore the strength of these houses are also to be considered. The affections over the more the malignant houses and planets, more they work for their disease. Any connection of these houses and planets with eighth house, lord of the eighth house, or Ayurkaraka, Saturn, may inflict death. When strong malefic passes over this house and planets or elements from these transits and aspects or their conjunction, anyone may be attacked from strong forces of heart, provided he has the house and planets ruling heart in the natal chart weak and afflicted. The Karkataka Rashi is afflicted by sixth lord or Mars and also Ketu. Sun also afflicted. Sun is the Karaka of all parts of the heart. So Sun is afflicted and Moon also be afflicted. The fourth house, the lord of the sixth in the fourth, or fourth lord is in the sixth house. Fourth house is afflicted. Lord of the fourth house is also aspect by malefics. The sixth lord. Moon is too weak and almost a new moon day. And also the Dasha period also be considered. Dasha Bhukti also be considered. Moon is too weak and almost a new moon day. Mars is debilitated. He is further lord of the sixth house and he is also afflicted. Jupiter, fourth lord, and moon and sun is in the sixth house from them and is aspected by their eighth lord. Sixth is Aradi Rogatyam Aradinado Mridishuru Mrti Bhayangarodi. Shashtam Dwadisham Ashtam Anjamanayo Bhavana Manishtanvidu. Sixth lord is in the fourth house. Sun is afflicted. The person may get heart disease and he may, the Dasha period of the sixth lord or eighth lord, he may undergo the open surgery of heart. And during that period we have to consider the Tithi also. During the Amavasya or Paurnami days, don't suggest for heart operation. Ashtami Navami Tithis are very good for operation. Lagna is afflicted by eighth lord, malefic and death inflicting Saturn. Moon and Sun, two Karagas, are in Kanya Rashi, a house of disease, and are also aspected by malefic Rahu from 8th house. The fourth house, Mars and Ketu in the 4th house, and the Sun is also afflicted. The Lord of the 6th will be aspected to the 4th house. The person may have heart attack and he may have open surgery. And during that period we have to consider the longevity of the person. If the person has good longevity, then and the Jupiter is very favorable during the Gojara. Gojara also be considered, and during the time of operation, the Jupiter is very powerful and the Lagna Lord is very powerful. So he will overcome the operation and he will get long life. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow with other subjects. If you like my subject, please subscribe and bell button press.